I'm not responsible for any dropping of the ball in terms of security in Parliament. If anything, the report I have received, if you want to attach that to me, sorry. Now, the report I have received from the Secretary of Parliament is to the effect that the cameras of Parliament, because there's been a report circulating that the cameras were not working. Now, just for correction, for the record, the cameras of Parliament were all working.
I did explain earlier on that a professional engineering team only arrived in Cape Town this morning. They're now busy with the assessment of the repairs, the cost, and the time frame it will take to do the repairs. They have said to me that by Friday morning they will be able to give us a preliminary report of their estimates. So that is still coming Friday morning.